My mom just came home from Costco all stacked up, ready for the hurricane tomorrow. Hurricane Irene, we're ready. Mommy,
Oh, yes.
ready for the hurricane?
Oh, sure.
Yes?
You
want to push it there?
Oh, yes, I'm ready. I'm looking for something.
What?
Yes, I got rice. Before the day yesterday, I got iced tea, rice, cheeseburger, water, and bagel. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. Bouillon. Before the day yesterday also. And I got ham, butter, milk. What else?
Eh?
I got everything. Everything. Oh, this one. How do you call it, this one?
Syrup.
Yes.
What do you put syrup with?
Oh, the ego. What is it?
The what?
This one. Style.
Ego?
Ego.
Oh.
You know? I got everything, my son. I'm ready. This one is pepperoni, cheese.
Pizza.
Oh, you want to eat something?
No, I'm fine.
I'm hungry. It's good. You want to taste it?
No, I'm fine.